If you want to improve your piano playing skills and musical knowledge quickly, easily, and effectively, Accelerando Piano is the place for you. Hi, I'm Jane Trotter, and in my tutorials, you'll get lots of useful, down-to-earth, and really practical tips to help you fast-track your piano playing. Then, with your newly enhanced abilities, you'll be able to transfer what you've learnt into your own pieces and make them sound the way you've always wanted them to. Unfortunately, so many people who are learning the piano share this common refrain: I wish I could. I wish I could read the notes better so I could learn my piece faster. I wish I could make sense of the rhythms and the counting, because at the moment I'm all over the place and they just don't make sense. I wish I could keep my left hand quieter than my right hand so it doesn't sound so clunky and heavy. I wish. Don't despair. Think of me as your musical fairy godmother, and I'll help you turn those wishes into a reality. I've been teaching the piano for over 30 years, so I think I can probably take on the mantle of godmother. And I know the tried and true methods which work and get results. Now, I produce about 3 or 4 videos a month, so if you'd like to keep up to date with all of my new material, please subscribe. And I look forward to helping you along the way in your musical journey.